everybody, it's Mr. White again, back with the next video. We are working on bouncing, dribbling, catching. Any type of bouncing, dribbling, and catching based on the equipment you have at home. Down here I've got a basketball, a kind of a big wiffle ball, and a small foam ball. Parents, students, here's my email, jwhite3@rvaschools.net. And again, here on the wall for today, I just have bounce, dribble, and catch. And I want to show you some different activities we can do with bouncing, dribbling, and catching. All right, first off, I'm always using this inside space that I have. Almost all of these activities you probably want to try outside. I don't want anything to get broken or damaged in your house, plus just bouncing balls in the house isn't usually a good idea. So again, check and see what type of space you have that you could go outside. Another thing, shout out this week to 2 schools, the Richmond Career Education Employment Academy, Miss Randolph's class. Hi everybody, I miss you all, Miss Randolph and all the students at RCEEA. And also Bouchal Middle School. I usually see Miss Davis and Miss Gillespie's class. Hi everybody, I hope everybody's doing well. All right, bouncing. My first one, so we can bounce straight down and catch. So we're kind of going underhand and catching. You could even throw it down and see how high in the air you could bounce it. If you're outside, I can't throw it down very hard because it'll hit the ceiling. But when you're outside, I want you to see how high you can maybe bounce a ball. Can you bounce it under a leg? Can you bounce it behind your back? Etc. So just all different types of bouncing, including if you have a safe space off a wall. I have to be careful because I have a window here, but you can kind of bounce off a wall. You can make it hit the ground and the wall and bounce. Just all types of bouncing. Dribbling. Kind of going to go over like official, more basketball dribbling using your fingertips, the little pads at the end of your fingers, and you kind of want to press down. All right, so we're dribbling. You might not have a basketball, but you can dribble with a soccer ball. You can dribble, with like a rubber playground type ball, whatever you may have. So not only can we dribble with our dominant, maybe right hand, you can also switch over. Try your left hand, and then of course you can get as fancy as you want, back and forth. Can you go under a leg, etc. So practice your dribbling and catching. If you have a brother, sister, a parent, somebody to throw and catch with, speaking of which, now's a great time to switch over to a different ball. Maybe you need a smaller ball. These balls with holes in them are great for catching, because sometimes you just kind of get lucky and it gets stuck in a finger, which kind of helps. So change up the type of ball you're throwing and catching. We did another unit a bunch of weeks back on throwing. Now I want to see if you can catch. So again, tossing it straight up in the air. Maybe you can even toss it up in the air and spin around and try and catch. I hit the ceiling. So any type of different throw, maybe throw behind your back and catch. And also back to off the wall. Not only are you practicing your bounce, you're also practicing your catch. Bouncing, dribbling, catching. Now, I want you to maybe create a routine, something like, I'm going to do 10 dribbles, 10 bounces, and, catches. So it would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with my right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with my left hand, and then like 5 bounces and catches off the wall. Again, if you're feeling, if you're ready to raise it up your level and see if you can do something more complicated, it could be like, how many times can I bounce it under my leg without dropping it? How many times can I throw it up in the air and catch it without dropping it? If you have a partner to throw with, a parent, a brother, sister, and you're throwing back and forth, How many catches can you get from 5 feet away without dropping it? How many catches can you get maybe from 20 feet away without dropping it? And again, you don't have to use a big basketball. Any type of ball would work. All right, that's what I've got for you this week. I want you to practice bouncing, dribbling, and catching any type of ball you happen to have around the house. Good luck, have fun. As always, JWhite3 at rvaschools.net. Feel free to send me an email and just say hi, or parents and students, if you need some type of modification, please reach out. All right, y'all, have a great day. Bye.